Hi there! My name is Manilit Baaklo, but you can call me Teacher Linlin. I am 31 years old. For the past few years, I have been helping kids in the community and teaching them a new vocabulary. I am really excited to have you in my class. Outside of teaching, I love dancing, singing, cooking, and gardening. I love teaching because it's so much fun to learn new things together. Don't worry about making mistakes because I am kind, patient, and understanding. I love to teach kids, so I am sure we will truly enjoy our classes together. Join me in my class and let's learn English together. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye!